Hello, Minh Quốc. Say hello, say hello. Con chào cô chưa?
Teacher,
Okay, con đã to lên hà. Okay, Minh Quốc, how are you today? How are you today?
đây,
Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you tired? Are you scared?
happy,
Happy, okay, so you have a test today, right? Okay, now let's start. The first part, can you introduce about yourself? What's your name? How old are you? Where do you live? Okay, Minh Quốc, what's your name?
my name is Minh Quốc.
So, how old are you?
I'm I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay, where do you live?
I live in Cộng City.
Okay, so how many people are there in your family?
It's for people.
Four people. Who are they?
Mm,
They are my
Thầy,
dad,
my dad,
my
my
mom,
dad, but say my brother, mm,
mom.
my mom,
Okay.
my grandpa.
Okay, okay. Okay, so what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue. Okay, what do you love to eat?
I but oh,
What do you love to eat?
I I
Pizza, chicken, hamburger, rice, or ice cream, or candy.
the cookie.
Tteokbokki hả? Okay, tteokbokki. So, okay. So the next part, can you retell me the story King Tony in 5 to 6 sentences? Okay, Tony the king. There was a king.
Only
Mm.
in sun
However, sorry, he was a mighty.
leopard.
Okay, however,
Um,
however, he was a cry
baby.
who wet his pants.
Orange is balance
Who wet his pants every.
every night.
Okay, he needs to wear
He needs to wear a diaper
on the.
all the time.
Okay, he was really.
Mm, it's raining.
He was really upset about.
What's it about?
Okay, one day.
One day he is counter. King có gì là?
Okay, King Godzilla told Tony.
Away and never drink water.
Okay, always young and never drink water. Get drop. So the next part, I will ask you some questions. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, there was a King Tony. He was a mighty leopard.
Mm,
Ooh, was there a queen?
no.
No, was there a King Tony?
Yes.
Okay, how many King Tony was there?
One.
One. What kind of animal is Tony?
Never.
Leopard. Good job. However, he was a crybaby who wet his pants every night.
Oh,
Ooh. What Miss Annie a crybaby?
I sleep every night.
Was Miss Annie a crybaby?
If,
Yes or no?
yes.
Miss Annie a crybaby? Yes or no?
Yes.
Miss
Yes.
Annie.
No.
No. Was Minh Quốc a crybaby?
No.
No. So was Tony a crybaby?
Yes.
Yes. Who was the crybaby?
Tony King.
Tony the king. So what did Tony need to wear?
His every night.
What did Tony need to wear all the time?
He needs to wear a diaper all the time.
Oh, okay. So he was really upset about it.
He was really upset about his.
So was Tony really happy about this?
No.
No. Was Tony really tired about this?
No.
No. So was Tony really upset about this?
Yes.
Yes. So how does Tony feel? How did Tony feel about this?
Tony
Was really upset.
upset.
Okay. What kind of animal was Tony?
Never.
Okay. What is the name of the king?
Tony.
Tony. Good job. Okay. Last part, I will show you a paragraph. Look at this and read loudly for me. Okay. Let's start. King Tony. Tony.
Elephant. His daughter stay away at all time, so you will have to worry. He borrowed a van vào ăn mình. But Tony happy that right under his panda. When he meets the
But Tony had big dark circles under
this give him a
Nó đọc đến câu nào rồi?
con không biết cái từ này, con chưa học. Con
Ok.
chỉ học đến đây thôi. Con chỉ học đến đây
Ok,
thôi.
con đọc câu cuối cùng cho cô nào. He said
He said you see
before
best is
exercise
right. They need
to sweep out.
what it out.
Okay, good job. Okay, this is the end of your test today, Minh Quốc. Thank you and goodbye.